Okay, well, welcome to another old classic car video. Back out in the garage again, and today's project is to spruce up the 24 Dodge. She hasn't seen much use in recent times. And things do get quite dusty in here, unfortunately, so I think the plan for today will be to move her out, warm things through a bit, give it a clean, possibly a little run down the lanes. So yeah, all being well, that's the plan for today. I'm just going to turn the fuel on and see if she'll go. Yeah, this is their 1928 Dodge Coupe, or Coupe. Looks like someone's made a start on doing work on it, but the interior looks quite smart. Some of the paintwork's been done, but it's a pretty solid car, and it's a lovely shape as well. Could be quite tempted with that. There doesn't seem to be too much tinworm of any importance either. So it's quite a handsome son of a gun, and smaller than I thought it would be actually. I mean, it's 3 or 4 years younger than mine, so things have moved on slightly. It's still got a 4-cylinder engine. I think it's still 3.5 litre as well. There's the dash, but everything, at first glance it all looks very similar to mine, but everything is subtly different. The wings, fenders, the radiator slightly narrower and taller. I don't think they've had the engine running yet, but that's probably the first job to do, and the original fuel supply's there, which relies on the vacuum from the engine to draw the fuel from the tank in the back, and then gravity down to the engine. So yeah, quite a tasty project, and I look forward to hearing it run.